We're here in Parma Heights. We're working on a full tear off. This roof is going to require some plywood replacement due to the warping plywood on the back side of the house. This house is going to get 2 rows of ice and water shield, so we'll come 6 feet up from the gutter edge with ice and water shield because of the larger overhangs. Inspector will be back here in an hour or two to take a look at our progress, verify that we're putting in the ice and water shield properly, and then we'll jump into shingling. All right, so we're tearing off this roof here, and we've obviously got some plywood issues. It's warping. They didn't use H clips on this, so we're going to have to replace a few sheets of plywood on this deck. We ran into a slight little problem. Once we started tearing off, the crew realized that we've got the J channel is run over top of the drip edge for this section of roof. Whoever put the siding on incorrectly installed the siding over top of the drip edge. So this means that the water has been running down behind the siding, which is not an ideal situation. This is what I was talking about, is we've got the drip edge is behind the J channel, which isn't good. Any water that comes off the shingles rolls behind here and gets right in behind the siding. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this drip edge off of here. We're going to bend up a new wider top drip edge to go over top of the J channel and come down. This way it'll shed the water off of the house and not behind the siding.